Perfect. Oh, ganun pa rin. Hello guys. We're here at Tamiya, the Outlets Pueblo Verde. Asa marubad pa? Oh, they have for walking. Nagpasilong na bitaw dyan eh. Wala na yung ulan eh. Mama Linda. This is where we usually celebrate birthdays. Say hi. Dili po may mag-date sa unang vlog sa BFK na sunahan. Every Saturday or Friday dito siya. Saturday na dito lang na. Kanang white shift. Nice kayo lang art. We'll show you around guys. Tara na, biyahe tayo. Nice wall art. Picture ka lang. Pati asa, hayag eh. Sabi po ng gaway. Okay. Ha? So, nasa may bench. Obviously, pang lingkod. Di ba to guys? Labasin, basa na na. Basa dyan job. Nami gihulat. Kaya nami gihulat. Amo pabuton. Oh, tanawa. Nice. Ilang drawings. Ilang wall arts. Ha? Bluran? Mural. Bluran. So, daghan kay kananan diri sa Tamiya na ay Zubuchon, Higafeta. Na po yung mga outlets na po sila yung mga shoe store, clothing stores. I actually bought my shoes here for running. Skechers, it was originally 3,600 and I bought it for 1,003 last year, exactly a year ago. And wala man ko kakita if nag-post sila og sale. Ay, nadi ay. Wait. January 11 to 13. So they have dulo na to klaro. So they have a post-holiday clearance madness sale January 11 to 13. This one here. Exactly a year ago I bought cheap shoes, cheap clothing, around 50 to 70% off. So ali na mo guys. Hibong ng mga tao nga siguro chika sa ko phone.
Uwan na mo good.
Lovers Lane. Nice og lighting.
Uwan na. Wa, nga naman.
Moto kung chika ninyo guys kanina na. Diri mi nagkita ni dili nagkita. Diri mi mag-date sa una ni Kidrak uban ang New Zion. Hello day sa New Zion, Reno, Daryl, Stephen, selecta si Stephen, si Jairus, o ubang banda na mutukar sa BFK. Hello. Anyways guys, see you later. It just rained but okay na. Nice kayo. Again, if you would like to have clear front view, clear videos using the front cam, use Huawei 3i Nova. But ang ilang rear cam guys shaky, so I still opt to use my Asus phone for rear cam videos. See you later.
Bayan
Please
City
don't
siguro.
forget to subscribe to my videos, like my videos, as well as leave comments. And if you want to share me anything, there's a minkay.
Oh, lagi mo.
Minkay! Nidagan ng minkay.
Ade, muli sa lamin. Balik na ko. Yan na.
So plans have changed. We're going home. I'm still gonna tour you around. There's an airplane right now overhead. Banha siya. Alright. Smiling na si ate. Nag-video. Smiling ka si ate, guys. Okay, Dickies. Saan na siya pagbasa lang? A6? A6. They have running wear, shoes. Parking lot, nagitulab. Skechers. Onitsuka Tiger Bench Depot. Onitsuka. Sorry, nagod. Bench Depot, Oakley. I'm not paid for this. But willing ko mo accept, charot. Okay. Nike factory store. Charot lang. Levi's, Giordano, Planet Sports, Converse. And here's the parking lot. So we're going home, change our minds. Kaya dugay pa lang abot ang among contact. Actually, dito ang BFK, pero di na ito ang BFK. Helmets ako, guys. Bye! Helmet ako, search for beauty ako. We're passing by BFK, so I'll just show you the place. We're not really going there to drink. Ati-ati lang dito. Timberland. So there's Jollibee here as well. 7-Eleven. The back of 7-Eleven. No, it's to 7-Eleven. That's BFK. Okay, this
Oh,
is.
BPI.
Huh? Fildo man. The Great BFK! Alright. So just beside